The following are copyright notices. If you want to read them, please pause the video.
Hello everyone, I'm here in Croughton, exactly RAF Croughton. I'm just conducting an audit. It's going to be an interesting one because it's basically we're in the United Kingdom, but as you can see this is an American Air Force base. So it's like a First Amendment audit in the United Kingdom. Well, let's see what happens. So yeah, if you go this way, you go into Banbury and Aina. If you go that way, you go into Brackley and Oxford. And as you can see straight ahead, RAF Croughton.
If you're interested in knowing where RAF Croughton is on a map, it is around 90 kilometres northwest of London. This is the public junction where the fun starts. It's not clear from his original video how long AB had been filming. However, did he really merit the blues? Blue lights, that is, not the music. Let's have a listen.
Here we go. Here come in like crazy now again. Hi!
Hi.
You alright?
Yes, we just had a report from the Americans of somebody taking
Oh,
photographs. So we thought we'd come down and...
yeah, that must be me then.
Oh,
How are you?
I'm good. You?
Yeah, not bad.
Yes. Is there any reason for you taking the photos?
Just doing a story really.
Oh, right. Were you on YouTube before?
Sorry?
Were you on YouTube? There was somebody before that was on
Sorry,
YouTube.
what was your
They
name
were
and-
doing a project. Sergeant Eileen
You know my shoulder
McAdam.
number?
7-3.
You name?
Sergeant Eileen McAdam, 7-3.
7-3.
Yes.
Sorry, what was your name and shoulder number?
Kate Fraser.
378.
378.
Oh,
Yeah. What's the name of your? What's the name of the group again that you were doing?
Sorry?
There was a get the name of it. Were you at Mr. Garrison? Were you at Mr. Garrison?
I honestly don't know what you're talking about.
Oh right, you don't.
No.
Oh okay. So do you live local?
Not really, no.
No. Just got an interest in the base.
In the other Shire.
In the what?
Not in the Shire, no.
Not in Northamptonshire.
No. Where do you live?
Oxfordshire.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Me too.
Pretty. Do you really?
Yeah.
Oh lovely. Lovely.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a nice county.
Yeah.
Bit cheaper up this way at the house prices though.
You don't need the blue light, you know.
No, that was just to get
it's
down
just
here, that was all.
Yeah.
Just so traffic can
So,
see.
what, you guys like British police? In the army base?
We're MOD police.
MOD police.
Ah,
Yes.
yeah, MSG police. Cool,
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah.
Did you come in a car? Have you got a car, or just in case? Have you come on public transport? Or?
You got feet?
Oh, you walked
Yeah.
from Oxfordshire.
No. No, I didn't.
Catch your
What's
son.
with all the questions?
Sun on his toe.
Oh, we just got reports. So just
We're
come
just
down to
being- Friendly. Yeah. That's part of our job.
Okay.
We're on the patrol to talk to the public, just find out who they are, what they're doing, and offer any assistance.
No,
That's part of our job.
if you got any water, that'd be great.
Oh no, we don't.
No?
We just come from.
It's quite hot, isn't it?
Oh, it's hot. This is going to be the
Absolutely
hottest day of the year.
But yeah, if you don't have water, then I'm good to go.
Have you got water?
No, I haven't. That's why I asked you for a
Oh,
bowl.
right, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's going to get reached 36 degrees today.
How many
36, do they reckon? Yeah, yeah.
degrees?
36.
Bloody
Yeah.
hell.
What's that in Fahrenheit? 90?
I don't know. I work in degrees anyway, so I understand the degrees.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty much
Yeah.
hot. That's quite hot.
Yeah. God. It's probably one of the worst days to be walking in, isn't it?
Yeah.
cap, sunglasses.
Yeah, just like you. I thought you police officers are supposed to take them off when you talk to a member of the public, just
No,
like you
there
did
you
now.
go. See. Yeah.
Yeah. It's considered to be disrespectful.
No.
Yeah. If you check your policies, you'll find out you need to take them off when you
okay.
speak to a member of the public.
Okay.
Check it out. I might be wrong.
Okay.
But
Oh
I'm
well,
pretty
I'll
sure
check
I'm
it
correct.
out. I'll check it out.
Yeah, not them.
Oh no.
Wow.
Oh, careful.
Yeah.
Sunglasses, as with many other things. Parking, wearing seat belts, etc. Some officers think that their policies do not apply to them or are at their discretion. This is from Northamptonshire Police's Standards of Appearance policy. Remove your sunglasses when talking to a member of the public and inside a building unless it is necessary to continue wearing them for medical reasons or because they are prescription sunglasses. In such cases, consult a supervisor. You may need to provide supporting evidence, e.g., a medical note from the GP8 or a request from occupational health.
Well, that was boring. Nice ladies. Yeah. I'm surprised it came out from there though. And that's your First Amendment audit in the United Kingdom. Yeah, it can be done. Don't know why they've been going up and down, up and down. Why they follow me, I don't know. Just gonna ask them why they follow me. Might as well ask him, innit? If he got something to say. Let's see.
It's a pity that AB hadn't filmed their car driving up and down this road. This is the junction. Approximately 500 metres from the entrance to the base. The police constable seems very irate at this point. Is it the fact that AB has parked further away than they anticipated?
Hi officers. How are you following me?
I'm not patrolling around the base.
Yeah,
It's
follow
our
me.
job. It's
It's
our job.
employment distress now. Did you throw all that rubbish over there?
What rubbish?
Yeah.
No,
Are you following me?
no, we're patrolling around the base.
I will report you for harassment if you keep following me.
We're going to go all around the
No, you kept
on
following
patrol.
me. You were at the base all day long, and now I'm here. You kept following me. I made it clear to you, I'm not causing any harm in here, and I think you're satisfied I'm not causing any harm. Because by now, otherwise you would have locked me up by now. So you have no reason to follow me like this.
We're just on patrol.
No, you're trying to identify me, which I choose not to be identified. I know what you're trying to do, so I'm asking you to not follow me. Please don't follow me. Sorry?
We patrol up.
No, you're following me.
Consistently.
You clearly are following me. I've been recording you every time you went up, down, up, down. You're clearly following me.
That's fine.
Yes, that could constitute in harassment.
No, we've
So
got
please don't follow me.
a concern for your safety on the road.
My safety,
Pavements, nothing on
I'm more than 40. I made it this far in life. I don't need you to be concerned about me.
So, are they concerned for his safety, or are they still trying to find his parked car?
Okay, but if something was to happen to you,
Nothing will happen to you.
I would feel
I'll be at the shop within 2 minutes. Yeah. So I'll go in that shop. You're causing traffic. You're littering, and you're following me. Well, it is yours because you're eating as you're speaking to me. That's why I thought it was you. Well, maybe.
that's not my right.
Within 2 minutes, I'll be in that shop. If you want to wait here until I get to the shop, and then I'll be safe according
Yeah,
to your
please.
I don't know, your logic. Sorry?
It's quite a fast road. We don't normally get people.
I'm sorry?
walking up and down. It's a fast road. And we don't normally get people walking
But
up
I'll
and
be in the
down.
village within 2 minutes. I am in the village already. Look, the sign says there, Croughton.
Fabulous. And there'll be a pavement there.
So will you stop following me, please?
We'll just keep going round the base.
So you're determined to follow me?
We'll carry on our patrol. We're not following, we're just doing our patrol. I'm concerned for your safety.
Oh, I am at the village. There's no safeties. So anybody in the village, are you concerned about them? I was there. There's a shop there. I was there just looking at them things. But clearly you stopped and you went. You came back. You're just harassing me now.
On patrol.
Okay, listen, lady. I have the right. Open your ears. I have the right to take pictures. Please stop harassing me. I won't tell you that again.
Have we stopped to take pictures?
Yeah, but you are following me.
We're on patrol.
If I follow you all day, you're not going to like it, are you? If I follow you all the way to your house, you're not going to like it. So it's called harassment. Following somebody is harassment.
We're just doing our patrol.
You're harassing me. And I'm telling you now, stop harassing me.
You're getting really angry.
Of course I'm agitated, obviously. You're following me. Because you're following me.
I'm not following
You are following me.
You do this
It's
every
obvious
time.
you're following me. I got you on camera, you're following me. Every time you went past, I've recorded. Okay? And then, now I came to you to ask you nicely, please stop following me, but you're ignoring me clearly.
We go up and down.
So you're going to follow me anyway. Sorry?
We go up and down the Ellen Park. We're on patrol. We're not doing any harm.
You are. You're putting me in alarm and distress.
Why?
Because one, you've got guns and you're following me. That's why.
Have we threatened you?
Well, you're following me, yes.
Police officers.
Sorry?
The police officers on patrol.
Well, I don't know if you corrupt police officers. Have you got a file? Have you got any kind of file? Have you ever beaten somebody up? Have you ever tased somebody unlawfully? I don't know all this. Yeah, but I don't know all this, do I? How do I know?
And how do they know who you are?
You don't need to know. Because I didn't commit any crime. That's the point.
Have we stopped?
This really is the point. People are allowed to film. People are allowed to take photographs. People are also allowed to be suspicious, and police are allowed to ask questions. However, they do not need to be answered, and the police need to respect this, their policies, and the law. We live in what we think is a free country. Have these constables crossed the line? Are they guilty of harassment? Let me know in the comments.